Welcome to Quick Solution. In this video I'm going to show you how to add a payment method on Google Play. So if I'm going to open the Google Play Store right here, I have to hit the icon with the profile picture right here, and as you can see we have this option where it says payments and subscription. So right here we have the very first option, which is payment methods, and I'm going to tap on that option right here. So as you can see, these are the payment methods that I'm using right now. We have the option to add credit or debit card, redeem code, but also more payment settings right here, and we can tap on that. I'm waiting for the page right here to load up. So basically this is the payment center right here, where I can remove or add a payment method. I'm going to select add a payment method right here, and I have the option to add credit or debit card. Here I have to insert the credit card details, and then I can hit save, and this is how you can add the payment method to your Google Play Store account. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one.